We've got a free fuel point. Check this out. This is how it looks like, and it's called chicken bhuna kheema puff. So I'm gonna do a quick review of the silver paan. Alright, travel friends, good morning once again from Goa. It's a beautiful day. We've got a cinema over here, beautiful blue sky, and today I'm gonna head towards the south. I'm 5 minutes outside and I still didn't manage to find a money exchanger. I've already tried out 3 different banks and they're only available for bank services, but not specifically for exchanging money. Okay guys, I've managed to exchange the money and now I'm looking for a motorbike rental, which should be somewhere in this weird mall, and it should be shop number 141, which I would assume is on the first floor. And by the way, I didn't expect so many Muslims in this area. They told me they're a minority, but look at this. There are Islamic shops almost everywhere. Okay guys, I've just got some help from a nice guy named Suhail, and he gave me a number of a motorbike rental. He also told me that there may be a very nice view at the top of this mall, so I'm gonna check it out now. We've got a free fuel point. Check this out. Looks like some kind of semi-slum, if I may call it like that. Got the ocean over there, the harbor, and let's check out the other side. Look at this, guys. In case you cannot find a room in Goa, you can spend the night in one of these unfinished rooms, and maybe you even have a shower. Some pigeons. Okay, let's go back down. The same brother also recommended me a place to have a nice breakfast, which I almost forgot to have. I exchanged my money. I found a few motorbike rentals, so I'm gonna have a nice breakfast before we're gonna continue to the south. Okay guys, so unfortunately the recommended restaurant was closed, so I'm gonna try out this Bhaijaan's. I've already ordered a dish. I forgot the name. I think it was chicken bhuna or something like that, and some kind of dessert, if you remember it. In Pakistan it's called paan, and this one is tobacco free. I've ordered this one, which has some kind of silver on it, eatable silver, so I'm very curious. Let's try it out. This is how it looks like, and it's called chicken bhuna kheema puff, or something like that. And we've got the paan as the dessert. I didn't even know silver was eatable. Okay, first bite. Very nice. It's spicy, but it's very manageable. And the bread is a 10 out of 10, seriously. Okay guys, I ran out of battery and my GoPro battery is stuck because of the heat. So I'm gonna do a quick review of the silver paan. Wow, the flavors seem to be coming one after another. So at first it's very sweet, I'm still chewing. I also taste rose water and especially cardamom. Different kind of nuts. I'm sorry, I'm talking while eating. I finally managed to get out the battery. by smashing it against a piece of stone. Meanwhile, I got myself a new friend and I'm still chewing. So basically this type of paan you don't need to spit out. But it's very hard for me to accept, to swallow it. At first it's very syrupy, and then you get a hint of rose water, which I never really like. After that you're gonna start tasting the nuts, the cardamom, and the silver. I guess the silver doesn't really have a taste. Thank you, bro. Okay, travel friends, the plans have changed. Apparently I cannot go outside of Goa with the motorbike, so I've decided to jump in one of these trains. I'm going to Gokarna straight away, and from there I'm gonna rent a motorbike to explore the jungles of India. Look at this. I don't even know which class I'm sitting on officially, but I think it doesn't really matter. I met this guy, Wahid, right? Yes, and he will accompany me during my journey. All kinds of random houses at the edge of the jungle, the Western Ghats or Ghats. Hey. Got a nice drink from this man. Thank you. Hey guys, I have arrived in Margao. This is the station where I have to change the train, but nobody seems to speak English, and I have no idea where I should go. I found out the platform number, so I have about 20 minutes left, and we're gonna explore this area outside of Margao station. It's so weird. I expected everybody to speak English, but apparently that's not the case at all. I don't think there's much to do here. I see a couple of restaurants, but I'm not hungry at all. I think I'm gonna head towards the platform. There's not much to do right here. We have a couple of veg restaurants, a couple of random shops selling phone accessories, lounges, waiting rooms. That's about it, I think. A few snack shops over there. So not much to do. See you at the other side. Take a picture later and I send you, okay? Okay guys, I have arrived at Gokarna. I'm not sure if you can see me. I got myself a nice tea, chai. I've changed the plan for about 3 times on the way, because I had a conversation with ChatGPT, and every time it kept changing the destination based on my input. So ChatGPT is even worse at making a decision. So in the end, I just got out at Gokarna. And now I have to find a hotel, but because I still didn't manage to book one.